This exercise is from a standing position and it's called a standing forward fold, okay? So, with the hands, I want you to put them on the thighs for me, nice and slowly, bring them down towards the knees.
Okay.
And then if you feel comfortable when you're at the knees, I want you to go as low as you can.
Okay.
Without feeling pain though, encouraging the spine to fold, okay, towards the toes.
Ella, with my legs, should they be staying straight or should I have a bend in them?
So you can bend them slightly, but I want the bend more so to come from the lower back.
Right, okay.
So I don't want you to keep this back straight. What I see often is backs continuing to be straight,
Okay.
feeling like they're doing the forward fold, but they're actually bending from the hips and the knees rather than the back. Can you see how my back is still straight?
Yeah.
So I want you to concentrate more on it's the back that's bending in this position.
And Ella, what should I be doing with my head at this point? Do I want to be looking forward or looking down at my feet or?
So I want you to try and keep the neck and the spine in position throughout this movement. Can you see how it is when I'm in standing?
Yeah.
I want you to keep that position. I don't want you to go up because that's going to create problems at the top of the spine. And I don't want you to obviously flex it either. I want you to try and keep it in line at all times.
So it's a nice and controlled movement.
Yeah.
And at the bottom, how long should I hold for?
Around 5 to 10 seconds at the bottom.
Okay.
And then once you've completed those 5 to 10 seconds, nice and slowly bring the head up towards neutral.
Okay. And how many times should I repeat that for?
About 10 times that.
10 times?
Yeah.
To make it easier, can I do anything?
So to make it easier, we can get a chair, put it in front of the body, and in that standing position, tilt the hips back, hold onto the chair, and then I want you to try and encourage that spine to bend. Remember, it's not a hip movement, Jane, so bring those glutes in a little bit. Perfect. And bend from the lower back all the way through to the mid-back, and just hold it there for 5 to 10 seconds before returning to standing. Again, if you wanted to make it even easier with the chair, you can actually sit on it. So start in a seated position. From here, torso upright, holding the knees and just bending that spine. Almost like the cat-cow again, but in seated.
Okay. Yeah, I can feel subtly that is working my back.
Yeah. So all of these movements are nice and subtle. Don't be expecting to be really out of breath or feeling, oh, I'm not feeling it too much. Just really nice and subtle, keeping that lower back moving. Okay?
That's perfect.
If you have any questions or queries, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, then why not check out the next video here.